This year's FXCAD 2018 has a lot of features that will make a big impact on your daily workflow. We'll look at what each one means for you. First, 2018 is now a new Dwg file type. A new file type means big improvements to what Dwg files are capable of doing. You won't be able to open a 2018 version file in 2017 FXCAD or earlier. You can still save a file down if you need to in the Save As window. The new 2018 file type also changes your autosave process to only save the parts of the drawing that have changed. This is great for reducing autosave slowdowns when working with larger, complex drawings like base files. Set incremental save percentage to 50% to start. Play around with the percentage to get the speed you want. Over in the ribbons, we've optimized everything even more to fit with what a LandFX user needs. Here are just some highlights. The Home ribbon has multi-line now, among other things. Annotate now has LandFX tools. View has an actual button to make a viewport quickly. Manage expands the cleanup panel, and Output has a button for LandFX support. Even the Quick Access toolbar got an overhaul. The next biggest improvement is in off-screen selecting. Before, if you zoomed in or panned while making a selection box, only the area visible on the second click would be included. Now you can go ahead and zoom to select only what you want, and everything between the first and second clicks will be included. There's a lot more small but life-saving new features. For instance, PDF imports and attachments now show a preview image. When importing a PDF, true type fonts import as text, but SHX type fonts import as lines and arcs. Now, there's a tool to recognize those and turn them back into text. Moving along, you can more easily fix broken paths for externally referenced files in the Xref Manager just by right-clicking and selecting how you'd like to fix it. This is simpler than going into the Xref details, which is how this used to be done. Or maybe you reorganized your entire drawing folder. You can now update all paths in the drawing to a new folder hierarchy at once. Also, when attaching an external reference, the path used to default to full path. Now, it defaults to relative path, even if you haven't saved the drawing yet. Use this with FXref for a fully streamlined Xref experience. Next on the list, simply opening, saving, and attaching files is easier now that this window remembers how you last organized your files. Do you like the most recently modified file on top when looking for a file? Now you don't have to resort every time. These are all long-awaited features that make FXCAD 2018 the kind of upgrade that you shouldn't delay on. Go ahead and enjoy an upgrade that makes your daily drafting more comfortable.